Every hour you spend manually writing a caption, searching for a hashtag, or cutting a single video clip is an hour you aren't building your empire. Most creators think they're saving money by doing everything themselves. In reality, they are paying the highest price possible: their time, their sanity, and their growth. Today, we're exposing the hidden costs of manual marketing and why, in 2026, refusing to use AI isn't just old-fashioned, it's a business failure. Welcome back to Social Growth Blueprint. We've spent the last few weeks looking at the how, the tools, the scripts, and the edits. Today, we need to talk about the why. We are living through a shift in the digital economy where efficiency is the only thing that separates the winners from the noise. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 hidden costs that are killing your channel right now, and why transitioning to an AI-driven model is no longer an option. It is a survival requirement for any solo creator. Let's look at the numbers. The first and most dangerous cost is opportunity cost. If it takes you 4 hours to edit one video manually, that is 4 hours you didn't spend researching new trends, networking with other creators, or launching your digital products. AI doesn't just save time, it gives you back your life. When a tool like CapCut or Descript handles your edits in minutes, you aren't just finishing a task. You are creating space for the high-level thinking that actually makes you money. You are the CEO of your brand, not the factory worker. If you're still working in the factory for $0 an hour, you'll never have the energy to run the boardroom. There is a mental tax on boring work. Human beings aren't designed to repeat the same mundane tasks like resizing videos or generating 500 hashtags a month. This leads to creator burnout, the #1 reason why people quit YouTube before they reach their first 1,000 subscribers. AI is built for repetition. It doesn't get tired of formatting descriptions or optimizing metadata. By offloading these energy vampire tasks to AI, you preserve your creative spark for the things that matter: the vision, the strategy, and the storytelling. Consistency isn't about willpower. It's about having a system that makes the hard work easy. The gap between AI-first creators and manual creators is widening every single day. While a manual creator struggles to post once a week, an AI-powered creator is posting 5 high-quality videos on YouTube and 20 reels on Instagram. The algorithm rewards frequency and quality. If you are competing against someone who has an AI workforce doing their research, writing, and design, you simply cannot win through hard work alone. You are trying to outrun a supercar while you're on a bicycle. The cost of manual marketing isn't just lost time. It's the loss of your competitive edge in a crowded market. Finally, there is the scalability ceiling. If your business depends entirely on your manual labor, you have a hard limit on how much you can grow. You only have 24 hours in a day. With the Social Growth Blueprint model, your capacity is infinite. Because AI handles the production, you can launch a second channel or a third. You can expand into different niches without hiring a single employee. The hidden cost of manual work is that it keeps you small. AI is the only way for a solo creator to build a portfolio of digital assets that work for them while they sleep. You have to decide, do you want a job making videos? Or do you want a media empire? So, how do you stop paying these costs? You start by automating one task. Just one. Tomorrow, let ChatGPT write your script. Next week, let an AI voiceover from 11 Labs narrate your video. Every time you replace a manual task with an AI solution, you are buying back a piece of your future. The cost of these tools is nothing compared to the cost of your lost potential. The revolution is happening right now. Don't let the old way be the reason you never reach your goals. I want to know, what is the one task that takes you the most time right now? Is it editing, writing, research? Tell me in the comments, and I'll personally recommend an AI tool that can automate it for you. If you're ready to stop the manual grind and start growing with AI, hit that like button and subscribe to Social Growth Blueprint. We are here to help you build your empire the smart way. Don't forget to check the description for our Faceless Creators AI Toolkit to start reclaiming your time today. The future belongs to the efficient. In our next video, we're going to walk through the exact 0 to 10K roadmap for your AI-powered social media account. Make sure your notifications are on. I'll see you there.